Ever wondered why Python is one of the most popular programming languages around the globe? Well, the magic lies in its simplicity and versatility. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language with built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and binding, making it an ideal choice for rapid application development. It also offers support for modules and packages, encouraging program modularity and code reuse. Let's start from the beginning. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. It's named not after the snake, but the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus, which the creator was a fan of. A fun fact to start with, right? Now, onto the language itself. Python uses a syntax that emphasizes readability, which reduces the cost of program maintenance. It provides constructs that enable clear programming on both small and large scales. A Python program is a collection of Python statements which tells the computer to do something. A statement is an instruction that the Python interpreter can execute. For example, the command to print "Hello World" on the screen is a print statement. Python is case sensitive. This means that the variable name and name are different. It's important to remember this to avoid potential confusion and errors. Comments in Python start with the hash character, hash, and extend to the end of the physical line. Python ignores comments, and you can use them to write notes or remind yourself what the code is doing. Python supports two types of numbers, integers and floating point numbers. To define an integer, use the following syntax. My_number equals $7. For a floating point number, you could write my_float equals $7.0. Python also supports strings, which can be expressed in several ways. They can be enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. My_string equals "Hello World." Python uses Boolean variables to evaluate conditions. The Boolean values true and false are returned when an expression is compared or evaluated. Python's list is a data structure that holds an ordered collection of items, which means you can store all sorts of objects in a list: numbers, strings, and even other lists. Python uses indentation to indicate the blocks of code. Other languages use braces or keywords, but Python uses indentation. This makes the code look clean and consistent. In conclusion, Python is a versatile language that is great for beginners and experts alike. It's simple but powerful, and it has a wide range of applications. Today we've covered the basics, including the history of Python, statements, case sensitivity, comments, numbers, strings, Boolean variables, lists, and indentation. Remember, the best way to learn Python is by doing. So, why not take what you've learned today and write your first Python program? Happy coding!